Hi, Karen from Hair by Oz. I did promise I was going to do a little Shatush do. Now Shatush is a clay-based lightener. For all my lovely hairdresser friends out there, I have been doing this technique on this beautiful client of mine for a few goes now, and it just gives you like really nice pop. I've already put the base colour on, so I'm going to now use the hand painting in the Shatush, which I'm going to show you on this side so you can see what I'm doing, and show you how to use it best. It is from High Lift, it's the Shatush, it's the clay-based lightener. Now with this lightener, for maximum lift and maximum results, you need to use 40 volt, okay? You can use anywhere, 10, 20 or 30 volt. 40 volt I find you get the best. It does say 20 or 30 volt depending on desired results. When I'm hand painting this on natural basis from a 7 and above, I use 20 volt. If I'm using it from a base of a 6, I use 30 volt, and anything lower than that I use 40 volt. Clay lighteners are a gentler bleach, so you're not going to get the blowout as much as what you're going to get with normal bleach because it hardens. So I'm going to show you how to use this. Now my mixture, I like to mix, it does say 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 1. I like to just, it's a visual mix, so when I do a mix on this, it's more like, I like it like a bit of a sour cream mixture. So that's, yeah, that's good. So I did 20 mils of powder and I did 23 mils of 40 ball. Okay, just so you can lift it up, it's not dripping. See how it's not dripping? Okay, the towel's always here. And basically it's like any hand painting, you just surface painting. Hold the hair, and we're just doing this for pops. I start from the bottom. I'm going to use the clip. I'm going to be very professional today. And I take my section and I just hand paint over the top. Now if you look underneath, I'm not pushing it through. It's only on the top that I'm painting, and then I'll just pull that out and that's it. Now at the back I usually try to do a bit of a corrugated or a zigzag sectioning, just so that you're not getting the lines, or you don't get lines, and you get just a pop where you want it. I always clean the hand in between, because with clay, if you get it on somewhere, it's going to start working. It's exactly like a normal bleach.